Hi guys. Welcome to our channel. Today our topic is how to get rid of cold, flu and cough. Sleep with an extra pillow under head. This will help relieve congested nasal passages. Use saline nasal spray or make your own saltwater rinse to irrigate your nose. Saltwater rinsing helps nasal congestion while also removing virus particles and bacteria from your nose. Blow your nose often, but do it the proper way. It's important to blow your nose regularly when you have a cold rather than sniffling mucus back into your head. Drink hot liquids. Hot liquids relieve nasal congestion, prevent dehydration, and soothe the uncomfortably inflamed membranes that line your nose and throat. Inhale steam to ease your congestion and stuffy nose. Hold your head over a pot of boiling water and breathe slowly through your nose. Stay warm and rested when you come down with a cold or the flu. Helps your body direct its energy toward the immune Gargle with warm salt water. Gargle can moisten a sore or scratchy throat and bring temporary relief. Ginger tea. Try ginger tea for get rid of cold, cough and flu. Ingredients: tulsi leaves, 1-inch piece of ginger, half TSPT powder, sugar as needed. Method: tulsi leaves and crushed ginger coarsely. Boil a cup of water in a pan. Add tea powder when it starts boiling. Add ginger and tulsi leaves and switch off the strain into a cup and add sugar and mix well. Thanks for watching video. Like, comment the video and subscribe our channel.